My name's Charlie Donaldson. I'm VP of HR Operations at Centrica. So Centrica is an energy and services company. We have about 40,000 employees across North America, Europe and the UK. We may have people who have critical skills in subsurface drilling, for example, to get oil and gas out of the ground. People who are experienced in processing that gas or running a power station to generate electricity. Without those people with those specialist skills, we couldn't operate competitively as a business. So we need to retain that talent. We see our move to Workday as a real opportunity for our line managers to be able to manage the data of their teams in a very similar way, to make sure that the way that their data is set up is accurate and makes sense, to move employees around, but also to be able to understand their employee base much better. How much do they cost? What do they do today? What can they do in the future? What are their capabilities that we can use as a company? We chose Workday over the competition for a couple of really important reasons. Mobile is really important to us. We have a significant mobile workforce that find it very difficult to connect to Centrica. And we wanted to reset the bar on their ability to do so. The second piece, I think, is that Workday hangs together. It is clearly an integrated solution, and the different elements of Workday are clearly designed together and operate together in a seamless way. Third reason we selected Workday over the competition was embedded analytics. We want to drive decision making at the point that people are interacting with the solution. Historically, we've operated as many different companies that have grown and been added into the Centrica family largely through acquisition. So no longer will we have 12 different ways of onboarding people just in North America, because each of the individual businesses felt that they needed to do it in a different way. No longer will we have 300 different absence types across our businesses. So we're resetting the clock on the complexity that we've been carrying for all this time, and making significant savings in those operations as a result. If we're asking our people to operate with 19th century technology in some cases, and yet they're talking to customers who are operating with 21st century technology, then we've got something wrong, and we need to reflect internally some of that sophistication that we are helping our customers with externally.